Okay, we're going to be ripping down this melamine sheet into 200 mil strips. There's the line for 200 mils. We're going to be installing some shelving in a bedroom. Yeah, so there's going to be 3 shelves at 1.2 meters long. The length of this melamine sheet is 1.2. Yeah, so we're going to be ripping it down with the table saw, and then we'll most likely edge the sides over here. You can see it's just raw chipboard. Fortunately, the front section over here is edged already, so that won't need to be done. Yeah, so we'll go to the hardware store, purchase some edging material, and iron it. Okay, that was a successful cut. We've cut 3 sections at 200 mil each. Yeah, the edges came out nice and clean. Obviously, we've got a good sharp table saw blade on there. Yeah, so next will be to mount these brackets in the room. Yeah, so we'll get the brackets mounted. Just a word of note, you'll see there's 2 different lengths. The longer section gets mounted on the wall. Yeah, it's just for stability of the shells. If you do it the other way around, it's going to possibly result in the shelves pulling out of the wall, because you're going to be mounting drilling holes and inserting nail and anchors through these sections over here. Okay, we're just screwing in the brackets into the melamine shelf. Okay, following on from that, we did mount these brackets first. Remember, we were screwing in these screws. Yeah, so once all the brackets are on, we placed a spirit level on top of the shelf and marked each position with a pencil on where to drill on each of these brackets. After that, obviously took the shelf off, and with the SDS concrete drill, it was an 8 mil, we drilled holes at all these locations. There are 3 screws per bracket and 3 brackets per shelf. Cleaned out the hole and then used a nail and anchor, which has a plastic sleeve on it. Inserted the sleeves first, held the shelf up, and then screwed in the actual screw heads. These are posi drive screw heads here, which means posi is the style of screw bit to use. You can see by the little lines there. on the screw head. Those little lines on the side show you that it's posi. If it doesn't have those lines, it's actually a Phillips head, so you need a Phillips screw bit alternatively. Yeah, so this was pretty much half a day's work. Yeah, we ripped down these timber shelves, mounted the brackets, drilled the holes, and then yeah, installed the shelves. I just need to go and buy some edge banding for the balance of these shelves, and yeah, it's basically you can get it at most hardware stores. It's like a white PVC strip, and there's glue on the reverse side of the strip, and you actually iron it on, and then you need an edging tool just to cut the edges down to size and neaten up the edges. So yeah, this was a successful little job, and yeah, we now have some lovely shelves in this bedroom.